I took a photo of a lamp, dropped it into ChatGPT, it found the exact product, showed me 3 cheaper alternatives and let me compare them side by side. That's not even the most useful one. OpenAI has shipped 14 feature updates since January 2026. Most of them aren't worth your time, but 5 genuinely change how you use the tool. This video is the catch up. Starting with the one I just spoke about in the intro, ChatGPT's shopping results got a significant upgrade in March. You can now drop in a photo of something you're looking for, a piece of furniture, a pair of trainers, anything, and it will find those matching products for you. So whilst out and about, I saw a rather snazzy lamp that I particularly liked the look of. So just upload the photo, up it goes. And it has found a lamp for me. It says it's an IKEA one. Let's give me a link. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh, look at that. That's it. It's found my lamp. The Tarnaby table lamp from IKEA. Excellent work. And what would have taken absolutely ages of scouring the corners of the internet has taken about 2 minutes, if that. It's given me the price and all the other information about it. It's also given me some alternatives down here. So there's the IKEA one that's found, £19. And it's given me 2 alternatives. I'm not quite sure on that one. Oh no, it's given me lots of alternatives. Fantastic. And it's given me a recommendation down below saying to buy the IKEA one. And you can refine this conversationally as well. So I could go back in and I could say, that's great, but I want alternatives under £50, for example. And it would adjust and go and find these for me. So if you've ever spent hours on end scouring Google to try and find the perfect item or something that you've seen in someone's house or out and about, this is a genuine game changer. Number 2, this one is less flashy but will save you a genuine amount of time. Every file you upload to ChatGPT, every file that ChatGPT creates for you now gets saved automatically in a nice handy file library. It's searchable, it's reusable across different chats, and you can pull any file back up without re-uploading it and find them so much easier. Before this update, every new conversation was a blank slate. If you uploaded a document last week and wanted to reference it again, you have to find the original file, re-upload it, and then re-brief ChatGPT on what you were doing. That's now gone. Small change, real difference, especially if you use it for anything reoccurring, meeting notes, planning documents, school schedules, anything you keep coming back to. Right, this one you might assume isn't for you, but just stick with me for 30 seconds, right? ChatGPT can now build and run small interactive tools right in chat. No, you do not have to be a software dev for this to work. Let's have a look. So, a simple example here, I'm going to ask it to build me just a simple calculator. There we go. It has finished it, has coded it, has built the calculator. Let's hit preview and let's have a look. Boom. And there we go. There's our calculator. Let's see if it works. 2 + 2 = 4 times 8, 32. Awesome. So that's just a super quick example of a nice, quick interactive tool. You can customize it to your heart's content, make it Lego themed, make it K-pop Demon Hunters themed. Do whatever you want. Think of a different tool you can use. Let me know down below in the comments what you are going to make. And congratulations, you have vibe coded your first piece of software. GPT 5.4 Thinking launched last month with one specific behavior that's worth knowing about. Before it starts working on a complex task, it shows you the plan and not just the answer, the actual steps that it's going to take to get you there. And you can edit that plan before it commits and goes and executes. So we will come in here, we'll make sure that thinking is enabled on 5.4. We will go and enable deep research. Bang in the prompt. So I want to know about defenders in the EFL and who is the best. It's obviously Sam Gale, but I want ChatGPT to tell me. And here is the plan. This is what it's going to do. Collect the defensive stats for all the defenders and compile the top performers for me. So I can come in here if I want and I can edit it. And I'm going to hit start and away it goes. There we go. So it has produced the report for us after all of those, after following all the steps in the plan. It said it was going to. You can expand it out. You can go through all of it. It tells you what it's done, methodology, all that good stuff. And ultimately, it has probably come back and told us that Sam Gale is the greatest defender in the entirety of the English Football League. I don't need to read it to know that's fact. I've saved the best one till last. This last feature launched again just last month, and it's going to be genuinely useful for anyone with school-age children or if you're studying. So ChatGPT can now present certain maths and science topics as interactive tools, interactive modules. You're adjusting the variables yourself, watching the graph or watching the result, update yourself in real time. So I've asked it for a tool that's going to show me how the moon orbits the Earth, and let me have a play about with it. Let's see what happens when we change different things about the orbit, the the gravitational pull, and all that good stuff. Right, here is our moon orbit interactive tool. It's written all the code for us. Let's go. Oh, this is cool. So let's slow it down a second. So we can see on the left, it's giving us some stats, phase in the moon, distance from the Earth, all that good stuff. And then we've got some things we can play with down here. So Earth orbit radius, let's increase that and see what happens. So that moves the Earth further away from the sun, and we can see what that does to the orbit. Oh, that makes it go all weird. Let's push the moon out a bit. See what happens. Bring the Earth back in a bit. Oh, it's going to hit the sun. Smash. Let's make the Earth bigger. Push it out a bit. Tailored to exactly what you need. Interactive, and a hell of a lot more fun than just reading a textbook. I will drop the prompt for this one down in the comments, and it will also be in this week's newsletter as well. So make sure you sign up. The link for that is in the description down below. Five features: shopping image match, file library, interactive code blocks, GPT 5.4 thinking, and interactive learning. All of them launched in the last 3 months. None of them get talked about that much. Drop a comment down below. Which one are you going to try first? If you want to see how ChatGPT and Claude compare on real tasks, YouTube thinks that you'd like this video, so go and check that one out. Sign up for the newsletter, weekly AI hints and tips that are actually useful and you can use right now. See you next time. Stay peachy.